The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Frying Pan Set is a great addition to any kitchen. This set includes a 7-inch and a 10-inch pan. They are perfect for cooking eggs, omelets, and a dash of other foods. The turquoise color adds a fun touch. The soft grip handles make them easy to hold. These pans boast a ceramic nonstick surface. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is a breeze. You do not need much oil when cooking. This makes your meals healthier. The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Pans are also free of PFAS and PFOA. This can ease your concern about harmful chemicals. They are even dishwasher safe, which saves you time. The GreenLife Soft Grip Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Set is designed for easy cooking. The temperature spreads evenly across the pan. This helps your food cook perfectly. These pans are kitchen essentials for anyone who loves to cook. They are a fantastic #1 choice for everyday use. This collection is a winner for simple and healthy meals. Pros: nonstick, healthy, ceramic, non-toxic, PFAS-free, PFOA-free, dishwasher safe, easy cooking. Kitchen essentials: turquoise, egg omelet skillet. Cons: not for high heat, uneven heating, utensils feel flimsy, small pan is tiny, handles may get hot, can stain easily, not for induction, durability concerns. Features: GreenLife brand, soft grip handle, healthy ceramic, non-stick surface, 7-inch size, 10-inch size, frying pan set, non-toxic, PFAS and PFOA free, dishwasher safe. This GreenLife frying pan set includes 7-inch and 10-inch pans with a soft, easy to grip handle. They have a healthy ceramic nonstick surface, which means food won't stick easily. These pans are made without toxic chemicals called PFAS and PFOA, so they are safer to cook with. You can even put them in the dishwasher to clean them easily. They are great for making things like eggs and omelets and are essential for anyone who likes to cook. The turquoise color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. The GreenLife Soft Grip 7 inches and 10 inches frying pan set offers a healthy and convenient cooking experience with its non-toxic, PFAS and PFOA-free ceramic nonstick surface, making it ideal for easy cooking and egg dishes. These turquoise pans are dishwasher safe and designed as kitchen essentials. However, they are not suitable for high heat or induction cooktops and may heat unevenly. Some users have noted that utensils can feel flimsy. The smaller pan is quite small. Handles might get hot, and the pans could stain easily, raising some concerns about their long-term durability.